Hello folks, this is Tech Lifeh hack. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cache your mobile screen or mirror your mobile screen to your Windows 10 laptop. This feature is very helpful when you just want to show something on big screen without transferring any data to your laptop. Please make sure your mobile and laptop are connected to same Wi-Fi network in order this to work. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, in order to cache your mobile screen to Windows 10 laptop, click on Windows search bar, then search connect. You will find an option like this. For the most of you, this option might not be enabled by default. To enable this option, simply go to apps and features, click on it, then click on optional features, then click on add a feature. In this, search for wireless display, but for me it's not showing because I have already installed it. You should see something like this. Click on it and install. Once this is installed, open up the app. You should see a page something like this. In your mobile, go to settings. Let me just show you on my screen. Go to settings app in your phone, then click on connected device, then click on connection preferences, then click on cast. Your device may vary, so search for option called cast in your settings and you should see your laptop over there. And in order this to work, make sure you are connected to same Wi-Fi as in your mobile and in your laptop. Let me just connect my screen. As you can see, my phone is now screen and you can see there is absolutely very negligible lag and you can see it is very smooth. Let me just try to play a video. Let me just decrease the volume and as you can see video is playing and the audio output will be in the laptop as well. So as you can see, you can enjoy your movies directly onto your laptop. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel and share this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.